Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the double pecking puzzle. This puzzle was made by Puzzle Master. Difficulty level of the double pecking puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts into the tray. The double pecking puzzle is made from laser cut acrylic. The frame has a black color and the parts, they have 4 different colors, but the colors have nothing to do with the solution. The double pecking puzzle has 4 parts. Some of them look like letter Z, some of them look like letter S. Try to figure out which one is what. The parts are different. Each piece has a unique shape, and once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that you can easily fit 3 parts inside, but there is no space for the last piece. You can try to rearrange the parts and maybe fit a bigger part, but still most of the times you will end up with one piece that doesn't fit and you have to start over and try to figure out the solution again. If you like the double pecking puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you already have this puzzle and have no idea how to solve it, keep watching the video since I'm going to show you the solution. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first I grab this orange piece and put it right here. Then you grab this blue part and put it next to the orange piece. Then you can take the green part and put it right here between the edge of the frame and the blue piece. If it doesn't fit, maybe try to flip it. And then we have only one part left and it fits right here, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, all parts are inside the frame. You can even move them just a little bit. That proves that they fit nicely and you don't have to force any parts inside the frame. If you like the double pecking puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.